Hi, it's Pelegocan. Today we're looking at Sprigatito. Boom. Choose your starter Pokemon. Pelegocan, Sprigatito, and Quack. Oh, it's not Quaxley. People. Alright, so I'll show my Pokemon anyway. So this is for the building contest once again, and I have a Sprigatito. It's a little cute grass cat Pokemon. And I'm pretty happy with this one. This might be my favorite of the three that I built. I don't know if other people will like it, but I like it. So, there's a few features going on. I think the face is probably it's kind of the biggest part. So I wanted to get those sort of leaf design on its face, but I didn't know how to do that, so I kind of stuck a leaf on its face. So I think that's about as good as that's gonna get as far as representing that. And then the other part, it has like this little grassy part down by the neck area, so I just used the leaf pieces again. They kind of just solved everything. And then it also has like some pointy ears that are darker green, so I did that. I actually gave it a little action feature where you can move its head, so it can like look up at you, or you can accidentally break its head off. It's also a potential action feature, but yeah, and it also has a fluffy tail, so I ended up using these tooth pieces again. I've used those in some other builds, and it's probably my favorite piece. And I used it to represent the sort of fluffy, very light green, fluffy bits that are present on Sprigatito. So it doesn't look totally accurate. Let me get the reference picture. So I got Pokemon Scarlet, and you see the, why is it blurred? Is it gonna stay fast? So yeah, that's Sprigatito. I mean, the eyes are a different color, but meh. I didn't feel like doing that, but you can see it had sort of a leaf. That's a face there, and then it had the sort of green bits around its neck and the rest of it. It's also a very light green color besides those few greener elements, so it was interesting. So I don't have a whole lot of super light green, so I went with lime green. So yeah, and then just to kind of hit home that it is a grass type, I used flowers for the feet there, for the ends of the feet. And maybe the tail could have been a little fluffier, but I just kind of imagine that the tooth piece is just representing that fluffiness. And it has a pretty big head, which is accurate. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with this one. I like that it has the ability to behead it. Move its head up and down, and yeah. So I have a starter of each type now, so that's cool. And I like grass types. So, speaking of grass types, next up will be Tropius, but for now, just remember, Pelegocan, so can you.
Here's my Sprigatito build for the LEGO Pokemon build competition against Pelegocan. It's pretty cool. It's very small. It the pink eyes that Sprigatito usually has. Not much articulation in the legs, the tail. Here's it next to the Fuecoca. Same size. Let's get on to building Sprigatito.